They know it already.
I'm looking for the clothing. So beauty and well-being every day.
It was somewhere in the front. We've passed it. Guys, look at this. Can you guys see it? Man, see, I'm loving these, you know.
Huh?
They are pretty. Look at these guys. Ornaments. Some really cute ornament. Wow. Some gorgeous ornament. Wow, these are lovely. Some really nice bling bling elements. Ornaments, what do you call them? My friend she has walked all the way down there.
Oh yeah. Remember the one with the check?
Just looking for clothing. Me, I'm looking at gift items. Oh, these are pockets. I know them already. Okay, I know this particular wholesaler. I buy things from them. I swear. I like all these beautiful ornaments that are very pretty. I got some jewelry as well. Some pretty stuff.